Wow, look at that. Look at that Leatherman Croc right there. This thing. This will take a bite out of crime. Or like, this will grab onto Imperial Fasteners. And this side will grab onto metric fasteners. You got a little screwdriver, or medium screwdriver, they say. Leatherman says. And then a mini pry bar, or mini pry. That'll come in handy. I haven't even used this thing other than, like, as a package opener. That's what it is. This is a box opener, a package opener, whatever. This is a scraper. And I'll tell you what, that'll do some scraping for sure. You can use that in place of an awl to like, maybe not, no. Maybe. You might be able to use this on a ferro rod. You might be able to use it on wire that has like residue on it that you need to scrape off to get a good connection for whatever you're doing. You could cut it and strip it, but sometimes you just gotta do weird stuff. And there's a scraper for that. And oh, fucking bottle opener. Again, bottle opener, bottle opener, bottle opener. This thing is sweet. You can fit a 1/4-inch drive, like screwdriver bit into it, and get some real torque. This thing is pretty thick. I don't even know the measurement of it. It's like that thick. Get a caliper out here. You can really crank on this thing. You're gonna be able to get some serious leverage with this. For being as short as this thing is, you're gonna be able to really do some serious torquing. Not like anything crazy, like 150 foot-pounds, but maybe if you had something to put on it. I'm not sure the sizes of the wrenches, but I do know that they will work as advertised. Another awesome Leatherman product, the Croc. And let me tell you what, that's no crock of shit. This thing is kicking it. Thanks for watching.